The air filter removes any dirt, dust, or other debris before it can enter the engine. This debris can easily plug the carburetor, making the saw run poorly or not start at all. If dirt gets into the engine, serious damage can occur. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more is needed. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. And the air filter. Now I can install the new air filter. The filter comes unoiled, so I'll place it into a plastic bag, add a small amount of oil, and work the oil into the filter. I want to make sure that the filter is evenly coated. Then I'll pull the filter from the bag, place it on a rag, and remove the excess oil. And now I can install it back into the air filter housing. And I'll finish by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new foam air filter on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.